We're going to do a brief video on Coinbase Stock Analysis, and we've got a daily chart up here for you with a green 5-day moving average, a red 20-day, and a blue 200-day moving average. We're going to go back here real quick, take a longer-term view. November of 2021, this stock looks like it put in a high of about 368, and then came down and promptly entered into a bear market roughly around end of December. It's been in a bear market ever since for this stock, and let's take a quick look at it. We are currently sideways, working our way back towards the 200-day moving average on this stock, and we want to take a look at what's going on with the price today, because we've got some serious price action on this stock. This stock is up $5 today. It's up almost 8% on about 8 million volume in shares by a little bit before 1 p.m. on Friday. So they're working to lift this stock up out of a bear market. It is in a bear market now. You can see it's below the blue 200-day moving average. The moving averages that we have on here, this 5 and the red 20-day moving averages, aren't doing us a whole lot of help right now because they're kind of flat. But you can see this market made a gap up here on August 3rd, put in a little high here of 116 on the 4th, and then very without any kind of energy at all, just kind of lazily dropped back down again until it caught some support down here around the $61 level, where the green 5-day moving average is below the 20. It's a very weak position for a stock to be rallying in, but that's what we have here right now. It is putting in a good move today. I'm not sure if this chart fully reflects it. I show Coinbase right now selling at about 79. So yeah, this chart is pretty accurate. But the reality of it is, this is still a weak stock. If you take a look, this is not great price action to get us out of a bear market. This is good price action here, but there was no follow through. We didn't get a couple day, 3, 4, 5 day sell off and then a rally to this 132 level. We didn't get that. We got this spike up here. That was just not even a 2-day barely spike, and then just a total no interest fall back to the range where it's been trading in, right about the 163 level. It's been trading all the way back since May. So doesn't look like there's a whole lot of energy in this stock, despite the fact that the price is up today almost 8% now. Keep in mind, it's up 8%, but it's only on 8 million shares. Its normal daily volume is 14 million shares. It's only 1 o'clock, but just before 1 o'clock, but still it's up, but it's not up on great volume, and that's not really great news for a stock that's deep in a bear market trying to pull itself out of it. Our first target up here, in my mind, is to get past this intermediate high that's been established at 116. And then what we're trying to do here to get out of this bear market is to challenge about the 125 level by the third week in September, to challenge the 200-day moving average. In order to do that, obviously, this green 5 days got to get above the 20 price, and the 5 days got to stay above the 20, and you have to get some energy in this stock, which I just don't see right now. You can see the volatility is not great, but looks like about $4 a share, roughly $4 to $5 a share. It's not horrible, but back here when it was making its breakout, that was what is that, 16, 14, 20, $30 a day volatility. The day before was whatever that looks like there, $15 a day volatility. So the volatility is really down in this stock, and I'm looking for something better than that if we're going to see a challenge of this previous high and a rally up to this 128, 130 level by the third week in September. So I don't see that energy there yet, but that would be the classical analysis of this chart. Barring that, if we continue to look like this doesn't look necessarily to me like it's going to challenge the lows back in May of $40. I don't see that right this second, but you could certainly challenge these lows back in the low 60s in a couple of weeks as well. So in a couple of weeks, if we get some energy and the proper technical action, again above the moving averages, I could potentially see a test of this by the third week in September in the 126, 128 level. If we don't get that, I'd expect to see some oscillation back around what we've been doing, oscillating back around the low 60s levels. We could get in the 50s and so forth, but just some oscillation back down there. If we get below, seriously, this 20-day moving average, if price gets below the 20 and the 5, then you're going to probably go down here and test this May low of $40. But it's too early to look at that. So that's where we are right now in the stock. I checked earlier. We do not follow this at rbamresearch.com. For some reason, I'll check and see if we can add it. We offer algorithmically generated prices here Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. They're all updated before 7 a.m. And the way they work is we have 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods. They're buys only, and essentially if in the 1-day column you buy today, close out the end of the next trading day. Same thing for the 5, same thing for the 20. If you bought in the 20-day column, assuming your own analysis says it's a good thing to do, these are just for entertainment purposes only, but you could buy around this price and then close out worst case at a loss at the end of 20 days, or take your profits as soon as you got them. So that's how these work. Take your profits as soon as you get them, or close out worst case just before the end of trading on the 1, 5, or 20-day periods respectively, depending on which column. Again, they're all for entertainment purposes only. Can't use them for anything other than that. You have to do your own analysis, but that's what we offer, and we offer them at rbamresearch.com, absolutely free, no credit card required. In addition to the stocks, every morning before 7 a.m. we also have up new currency pairs, the major pairs, BTC and crypto, which is what Coinbase offers. We cover that crypto on ours as well, and we also cover the most liquid futures. Everything but the stocks, we have longs or shorts. The stocks right now are longs only. Again, no credit card required. Absolutely free at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. You just follow it over there to our website and sign up to get them absolutely free. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you have a great comment for us, please leave it in the comment section below. Keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here, our analysis and our entry prices, all for entertainment purposes only. Can't use them for anything other than entertainment. You have to do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.